There are four main classes of computational complexity that are used to describe the complexity of computational problems. The first of these classes is P. So class P is defined as the set of problems that can be solved in polynomial time. So big O of n to some constant c for any constant c. So c could even be a million. So big O of n to the million is still considered polynomial time because it's n to some constant. So P is any problem that can be solved in polynomial time. This means that I'm guaranteed that there exists some algorithm that runs in polynomial time and will be guaranteed to give me the correct answer to the problem. NP is the set of problems that can be verified in polynomial time, but not necessarily solved in polynomial time. For example, there exist some problems where I can't necessarily come up with the solution in big O of n to the c, or at least there does not currently exist an algorithm that can find the solution in polynomial time. But if you gave me a potential answer, I could verify if yes, this answer is valid, or no, this answer is invalid in polynomial time. So it should be clear, hopefully, that P is a subset of NP. If I can solve a problem in polynomial time, I can, by definition, verify it in polynomial time as well, right? If someone gives me an answer to the problem and I want to see, is this answer correct or not, I could just myself solve it in polynomial time and then compare what the other person gives me to that solution that I have. So any problem that can be solved can, by definition, be verified because you just solve it and then compare against what you got. NP-hard is the class of problems that are at least as hard as the hardest problem in NP. So it means that whatever the hardest problem is in NP, NP-hard is the set that is that problem, or problems just as hard as that hardest problem, and anything harder, right? So it's anything at least as hard as the hardest problem you see in NP. NP complete is the intersection of NP and NP hard. So these are the hardest problems in NP. Whatever that hardest problem was, these are all of the problems in NP that are just as hard as that hardest problem. In other words, these are all of the problems in NP hard that can be verified in polynomial